Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and today's video is going to be a little self-care Sunday. Run errands with me, do what I gotta do before the week starts, which is tomorrow. So today I am going to finally clean my car. I might go grocery shopping for my lunch this week because this week is my last week of esthetician school. And then after that, we're going to do a little unwind with me and David and what we do on Sundays. So I got this tattoo and this one. My Lola wrote it. She wrote down Mahal Kita, and that means I love you in Tagalog.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back.
So I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on just so I can feel better about myself. Also guys, wait. I got new car seats and I'm so excited to show you guys. They're baby pink. And I don't know why I'm liking pink this much. I used to not like pink at all. So I'm just using some brow gel to place these hoes down.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in.
Shout out to Milani's lip oils. You will not catch me spending that much money on the Dior lip oil. Alright, so I'm gonna change so we can do my hair. I'm just wearing, shout out to LRT. I'm just wearing this hoodie and Lululemon pants. Sorry! They're just regular black leggings. I think I'm just gonna do a high pony. Today's wash day. I wash my hair once a week, but I think I'm gonna start changing it back to twice a week because my hair is so dirty. Look, it's just stiff.
Long as you got.
I just did a slick back bun. So before we leave, we're gonna put my clothes in the washer so that while we wash my car, this can be running, and then hopefully by the time I get back, we can put it in the dryer. When I get home, I can just clean my room and fold my clothes, because if I don't fold my clothes right after I wash it, it will stay in the basket for another month.
All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let.
So it's 1:14 and we're just gonna go ahead and clean my car. I'm so excited to show you guys my new seats. I got them from Facebook Marketplace. They were like 20 bucks. Don't sleep on Facebook. I know you see her. She's so cute. This is what my old car seat looked like. Black and boring. I'm gonna set up the rest of the seats with you guys. I just needed to do this one yesterday because I needed David around, because just in case I needed help. So now we're just gonna go to the car wash. Also, my car smells like gym all the time because my gym bag is right behind me and it smells like butt. Alright, I'm here. There's this guy that always, I think he works here, right? But he's always like, if you cash at me a tip, I'll let you in for free. But then he expects to like get a like $15 tip when the wash is only $5, which makes no sense. Hi.
What kind of wash are you using today?
What's the cheapest one you guys have?
$10.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. You too.
By following the directions on the sign.
Alright guys, we're about to go in.
Wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing it.
And we're out! Now this car wash has free vacuum, so let's go find one. Maybe I should have brought towels to dry off my car. This has good suction.
All night, say it. I want all night. I wanna all night, say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last.
She's pink! Oh my god! My camera died, so I went home. I'm home now. And now I'm just gonna wipe all the windows and my doors, the steering wheel, and like my dash and my console and stuff. And I'm most likely gonna wipe everything. Ooh! I'm most likely gonna wipe everything down with glass cleaner because glass cleaner can clean anything. Glass cleaner is multi-purpose. And then I also have hardwood and laminate cleaner. Guys, I don't even know what laminate means, but you see this? That's all Murphy spit.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
On. Clea, stop! I just got a car wash. I'm telling y'all, I don't clean my car frequently, but when I do, I go crazy. We're just gonna deep clean Gina. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, my car's name is Gina. Yes, Gina from Where Martin and Gina, but get behind as soon as the way I can, but voice when she turns. Yeah, but I call her Gigi. Gigi Hadid. All right, I think we're all good. We're all done. We're gonna transfer my clothes in the washer into the dryer.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back.
All good. All right, so while the clothes are in the dryer, we're gonna go clean my room. We're waiting for David to get out of work so that we can go to Costco. I just have clothes on that table. My bed's kind of made. I have stuff on the floor, trash, and I want to fix up my vanity. Let's get started. Aw, look at my parents.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing.
Oh my gosh, guys, you want to see something funny? I forgot I had this. I used to sneak people up here, and look what my dad did. He bolted it closed. Look. That's the most it can go. Literally 2 inches. Bae is here.
Step out, get some in now, Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby.
Okay guys, we're going to Costco.
All night. Say it. I want all night.
We're here guys. We're gonna go look inside and buy stuff. And then we're gonna go fill up my gas.
What's it talking about?
It's the Shea Moisture Boosting Shampoo and I'm on Yucca. It's not good.
Area.
Okay, cute.
11.
So if you know me, you know I don't ever fill up my gas tank. I only put $20 max.
Huh?
The gas thing is done. And it's $40 flat. Look, base, all the way at the... Look!
Shit look good, don't it?
It's never been like that before.
That shit look good, don't it?
So we switched cars, and Bae's taking me on a little adventure. Bae, where are we going?
Oh, we finna slide to old block for a minute.
Pause!
Gotta go.
We're gonna go on a walk, and then we're gonna go and get some ice cream. Okay guys, we're here. I'm gonna leave the camera here so I can bond with my man.
That's a wife answer right there.
I'll get back on camera whenever I'm back in the car. And we're gonna go get some ice cream. Okay guys, we just got done with the walk. I loved it. I love being in nature. It actually feels good outside. It's a little bit chilly, but that's okay because my body warmed up. Y'all, look at this line. Why is everyone trying to beat us?
That motherfucker rap.
We got it, bitches! Chocolate vanilla scroll, cookie orange, please. I'm home now and my clothes is all dried, so I'm gonna take my clothes out and then put Anna's clothes in mine.
All night. Say it. I want all night.
Anna, you're welcome. So right now we're just gonna chill and watch Love is Blind until we're ready to go upstairs and shower.
All night. Say it. I want all night.
It's self-care Sunday, so I'm gonna oil Bae's hair. And then after that, I'm gonna take a shower. And then after that, we're gonna do a clay mask. So I took my hair down already. Let's go take a shower. I'm all done taking a shower and moisturizing. So now I'm just gonna wash my face and brush my teeth and then put on a face mask. Alright, so we're gonna make this face mask. We're gonna mix these two together and then put it on our face. I had to change. Since that went horribly, I made another batch for Bae, and since he's sleeping, I'm just gonna put it on his face. My face is tight, and I just finished Bae's. You look so cute. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye, mahal kita.